Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2010 Harley-Davidson DYNA Super Glide. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This bike has 32,937 miles and does not pass New Hampshire State inspection. To pass New Hampshire State inspection, this bike will need a decibel-compliant exhaust and sufficient heat shields. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 330 seconds and the rear at 430 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. Our technician has noted that the fuel light stays on but the additional fuel gauge works, and that the LED directionals are causing the dash light to stay on. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's a scrape on the lever. This bike has one key and has been upgraded with a Screaming Eagle Stage 1 intake, axle caps, a Saddleman 2-up seat, tall handlebars, an LED headlight, LED front turn signals, a primary cover, timing cover, battery box cover, shift linkage, foot controls, rider and passenger footrests, an aftermarket exhaust, docking hardware, and braided lines and cables. This bike has a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike is being sold as is without a warranty, but additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.